Siya ang CEO ng isa sa pinakatinatangkilik at pinagkakatiwalaang financial brand sa Pilipinas, ang Cebuana Lhuillier. Ang ating money guru na magtuturo ng mga tips sa pag-asenso para ang pera natin ay hindi lang siguro, kung hindi sigurado.
One of the famous street, pagdating sa Tumbong, Kanto, Lechong Kawali, Dilang Asado, yung Ugbo Street. Again, we wanted to achieve yung freshness, bagong luto, parang lutong bahay talaga.
Clean. Masarap talaga yung pagkain.
Para sa mga young at heart na gustong maging achiever, ang ating money guru, John Henry Lhuillier.
Pagsalapi ang usapan, may money guru ka. Gagabayan at siguradong tutulungan ka sa usaping gastusin. Tara na tumahon, ito ang panahon. Halina't mag-ipon, anumang estado meron ka. Basta't money guru kasama, sigurado ka. Pinaghirapang kita para sa'yo at pamilya. Saan ka man magpunta, siguradong future secure ka.
Mga Lodi, we are walking the sidewalk to one of the busiest epicenters in the Philippines, Bonifacio Global City. The hustle and bustle here is a symbol of hope and progress. Commercial establishments and office buildings line up each other on every block of this beacon. But that's not to say we lose our culture in the process. When you think of Filipino culture, aside from our vibrant fiestas and customs, we often think about food. Well, let's also meet a very special guest today. You may know him from showbiz and his movies, and yes, politics. But do you know that he's a visionary of a hip and upcoming food place, the Ugbo 24/7? Hello, good afternoon.
Oh, John! Hi, John! Oy.
Hi, Isko, how are you doing?
Ay, welcome sa Ugbo 24/7.
Mga Kasubanas, look who we have here today, our very special guest, Yorme.
Yes, thank you, John. I'm really honored and excited to be on the show. Sa mga Cebuanos natin dyan, ako, steady lang kayo dyan sa Gately. Marami tayong matututunan kay John.
Yorme, it's really nice to see you. It's a really good place that you have here.
Oy, thank you, na-appreciate mo. Ito yung aming small business, startup company na tinayo namin na food service.
Well, thank you very much to be in our Money Guru show.
I'm honored and humbled sa lahat ng mga nanonood ng Money Guru. Nako, magaling to.
Well, thank you very much. Well, we all know your story through a lot of people know your name as Yorme Isko Moreno. As a actor, as a entrepreneur, and as a great civil servant. How did your upbringing in Tondo spark your entrepreneurial spirit?
In Tondo alone, the working class, maraming nangangailangan na mga services like pagkain. So I saw that in my neighborhood to really to be an entrepreneur in their own little way. Karinderya, panaderia, groceria, tindahan, kahit maliit na butas ng bintana, lalagyan nila ng item para makapaghanap buhay lang. If given a chance, dati, pag nakaluwag-luwag ako sa buhay, magninegosyo din ako.
Fantastic. That's why you decided to bring Ugbo from Tondo here to the BGC.
Oh, ito kasing Ugbo, John. It's a street in Tondo. Pagkagabi, minsan natatamad na kami magluto. So kumakain kami sa mga karinderya. And one of the famous street, pagdating sa Tumbong, Kanto, Lechong Kawali, Dilang Asado, yung Ugbo Street. So we go there, we eat, we love our food and we're very proud of it. Masarap, huli ang panlasang Pilipino. Sabi ko, bakit hindi ko kaya dali sa BGC? I-elevate ko yung status. Siyempre, I'm proud of being taga-Tondo. gusto ko naman na, oy, ito nga pala ang pagkain namin sa Tondo. So naisip ko, paano ko maaabot yung pagkain masusolve ka, familiar sa'yo, mabubusog ka, for a fraction of the cost. Yun ang naisip ko. Kaya dito namin nilagay. And so far, okay naman, awa ng Diyos.
Great idea. I mean, Yorme is a real visionary here. Ongsin na ongsin.
Yeah. Sila.
So what's your favorite food here in Ugpo that you'd like to share?
Actually, yung apat na yan, famous na yan. No? Yung tumbong, kamto, dila asado, saka lechong kawali. Ako, lagi kong tinitira yung tumbong, saka yung lechong kawali. Yan talaga, famous yan dalawa. So yun na nga, gusto mo dyan, tingnan natin sa loob.
Sige, let's go.
Alaya, sok pa tayo sa oblo. Again, we wanted to achieve yung freshness, bagong luto,
Nice.
parang lutong bahay talaga.
Clean.
Ito yung tumbong, pakita mo nga, kuha ka na. Yeah, see? So,
tama.
Ano yan, intestine niya, buong buo yan. Pero nililinis yan. Kaya mapapansin mo naka-reverse. So, ito na yan. So, dito, ang process, so si chef, nagluluto sila ng ulam. Ito yung kanin. Ayan, yung positioning din. Inaral din namin para yung time and motion. So, pagluto ng kanin, sasandukin, isasanag ka agad dito sa wok.
Well, it looks like not only you know the restaurant so well, I think you can also be a cook. The way you describe the kitchen and what goes on out here, you're very, very hands-on.
Pero ano lang, tingin ko based sa experience sa iba and based sa mga nakita mo, I always try to observe things, how and what is the purpose, why they build that way. Like for example, when we build a wall, we build stainless. And come to think of it, the cheapest thing is tiles, but more costly. But with this, it's simple. You can make your kitchen cleaner. Every time, anytime. Itong mga to, puro aral lang to. Just being observant do sa mga ginagawa ng iba. Ina-adapt ko lang. Tapos, try to implement it. We don't overthink. We don't
Yes.
Analyze and
yes.
paralyze.
Yes.
You just try. Then when you build, then you adjust. That's where we.
That's a great idea. I mean, a lot of entrepreneurs, successful entrepreneurs are like that. You work and tweak things as you grow.
As you progress.
You don't really have to wait for so long. Whatever you can adapt, tweak, and improve things.
Yes. Yun ang tingin kong kaya napapansin ng iba, hands-on kami. But I think any businessman or business person for that matter, you should put your heart on it. I think it goes to everyone, whether you're a conglomerate or a small business, medium size, you have to put your heart on it.
Very important point. And like anything, if you don't love what you do, why do it, right?
Yes.
And they say you spend more time at the office than with your family and your co-workers as well. So people that you have malasakit, looks like they're all happy and enjoying their job. So you're doing something right.
Thank you. Tirahin natin. Yun, no? Malambot. Sigurado ka dyan, Jan?
Ready na.
Ready?
Gummy, but very good.
Lumalaban, di ba? May particular siyang
Taste na.
taste. Yeah. Very unique taste. Ito naman yung beef kamto. Ayan. Pag makita mo siya, malambot na siya. Food show na to.
You know, all this food here are really fruit and also unique to our Philippine culture. And it's something that, you know, we need to talk about and educate more people because our foreigners that come to our country need to try this food.
Yeah.
And we do it right. Imagine if we have all of them having these different types of food all over the Philippines, so that foreigners come in and they're also, not only they come to our beaches and see our culture, but come here for our food.
Exactly. Ma-introduce lang talaga. Tama ka dyan. So not only the beaches and all other beautiful places in the country, also our hospitality, but also our food. Oo.
Try this one. Fantastic.
Ito naman, tirahin natin tong dila.
Anong sauce? Anong klaseng sauce to?
It's a special sauce designed for asado.
Okay. Yorme, what's your easiest advice that you can tell all our possible entrepreneurs in terms of how to start or do a business?
It's not about how big and small savings you have to do business. The first act is to act on it. Yung gut feel mo, you wanna do something that you love, you must do it. Yung learning curves through mentors, like ito, Maniguro, they watch the show, they learn from the experience ng mga taong guest dito. Or even sometimes, like in our case, we took some extra class to learn. You won't go to point B if you won't start with point A. Kailangan mong subukan. Kailangan mong gawin. Especially yung bagay na mahal mo at gusto mong gawin na hanap buhay. Now, don't be afraid to fail.
That's very right. I mean, even our business, we started small. When my father, actually my grandfather started the business back in the 1950s in Cebu. Started off with one pawn shop, just one product, and we grew. But it's really the passion that you talked about, having that malasakit, that love. And another thing that's very important, you have to learn. And you mentioned that. I know that you went back to school to learn about really how to run a business. What are the nuances in terms of looking at things from an innovative standpoint, and you went back and learned. And that's important. Everybody can learn. You can go back to school. That's a great way. There's ways you can learn online. Fantastic. And I can't stop really raving about the food. Well, what you were talking was putting more sauce on because that was quite good.
Nako, kaya mga Kasibuana, punta na kayo rin sa Ugbo dahil pwede nyong gamitin yung 24K card ninyo dahil sa bawat order nyo rito may 10% discount kayo. Sa tulong ng Cebuana Luwilier, nag-partner kami, tinulungan nila kami. So, ano pa inaantay nyo? Problema mo sa Enka? Ugbo, solve ka dito. May problema kang personal? Huwag kang mag-alala. Solve ka kay Cebuana Luwilier.
Thank you. Salamat.
Thank you.
Thank you. So mga Kasibuanas, thank you very much for, coming here via our rewards program and our partnership with Ugpo. And come out here and enjoy your food and your rewards points and your big discount coming to this restaurant. It's fantastic. Well worth the money. At masarap talaga yung pagkain dito.
And that's because of Cebuana Luwilier.
Thank you for those omsim na omsim insights, Yorme. Kayo mga Kasibuanas, if you were to make a food business, ano ang inyong magiging specialty? Comment down below and get a chance to win an exclusive Money Guru watch.
Omsim na omsim.
And that's the end of our episode. And chit-chat with our extra special guest, Isko Moreno. Before we end our episode, please share your messages and greetings, Yorme, to our Kasibuanas.
Nako, binabati ko kayo lahat. Una, John, thank you very much. I am humbled and excited to be part of the Cebuana Luwilier family. Solve ka na rito sa Chicha, solve ka pa sa Cebuana Luwilier.
Thank you very much. Salamat.
Thank you.
So mga Kasibuanas, para sa mga tips and advice towards financial wellness, like and follow our official social media pages in Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Before I forget, I'd like to give something to you today. This is our Money Guru watch.
May bago kong yoyo.
And we just launched it today. I'm wearing it, our official Money Guru sweatshirt.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you, John.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thought of the day. Sabi ng isang sikat na investor na si Henry Ford, coming together is the beginning, staying together is progress, and working together is success. Building a business is not just about starting, but also about maintaining and growing it through collaboration and teamwork. Whether you're just starting or already on your journey, remember that success comes from working together and never giving up. Lodi Kadian, Yorme at mga MSME owners natin sa Kanegosyo Center for embodying this spirit and inspiring others to pursue their dreams with passion and dedication. Omsim na omsim, yan mga Lods. Huwag kalimutan mag-like and share for more finance tips on how to be rich. Tutok lang palagi. Money Guru, dito sa Money Guru.